Another method of finding the specific gravity, generally we are using this test method for the coarse aggregate, and the pictometer which is used for the fine aggregate. So this is the wire basket method what we called. So in this the procedure part will be like this. You have to take about 5 kg of coarse aggregate first, and we should be passing through 4.7 from ISC which is used for the uh, testing purpose. Wash thoroughly to remove dust, dry to constant mass at the temperature of 105 plus or minus 5 degree Celsius. After the washing, immerse the sample in water at 22 to 32 degrees Celsius for a period of 24 plus or minus half an hour, so that is 30 minutes practically. Remove the aggregate from the water and roll the same in the large pieces of an absorbent cloth until the all visible films of water are removed, although the surface of the particle will still appear to the damp. So now the weight 3 kg of the sample in the saturated dry conditions, and note down the mass of the W1 grams. Place the weight aggregate immediately in the wire basket and dip into water. Weigh this bucket with aggregate, keeping it is in water with the help of the balance. Note down the mass as W3 grams. So after that, note down the weight of suspended empty wire basket in water without aggregate, and note down the mass as W2 grams. Dry the sample of constant weight at the temperature of 100 to 110 degrees Celsius for 24 plus or minus half an hour. Cool to room temperature and weight. Note down the mass as W4 grams. Calculate the specific gravity and repeat the procedure for the fresh sample of aggregates. Weight of O1 dry sample C equals to W4 grams. Weight of saturated surface dry aggregate B equals to W3 grams. Weight of basket and aggregate in water A1 equals to W2 grams. Weight of empty basket submerged in water A2 W1 grams. So actual specific gravity is C divided by B minus A. Apparent specific gravity is C minus A. So water absorption is 100 into B minus C divided by C, where A is the weight of saturated aggregate in water, A1 minus A2, the testing mechanical properties of aggregate.